Hera Icon Pack is a popular Android application specifically designed to significantly enhance the visual appearance of a smartphone's user interface. This app offers a vast and diverse collection of beautifully designed icons that can easily replace the default app icons on various launchers. With a strong focus on modern and sleek designs, Hera Icon Pack enables users to maintain a cohesive aesthetic throughout their devices, elevating their overall user experience. The app typically includes high-resolution icons, often featuring dynamic calendar options, and themed icons for a wide range of popular applications. Users can customize their home screens effortlessly, creating a unique and personalized look that truly reflects their individual style. Additionally, Hera Icon Pack frequently receives updates with new icons, ensuring users always have access to fresh and exciting designs. Overall, it represents an effective and stylish way to revamp an Android device's appearance, while providing a rich selection of customization options to satisfy various user preferences.